I don't know how right this is, but this is how I sharpen my mower blades. Take it off of the mower, scrape all the gunge, all the mower spuzz off of the thing. Truck her up in the vise, good and sturdy. Get your gear on. I'm just going to touch this bottom edge. This is the bottom of the blade. I'm just going to touch along this edge just to make sure it's nice and straight and even. So I'm not trying to bevel the edge this way because I want this bottom edge to be mostly flat. Just cleaning it up a little. I'll get the other side over here. That should do for the bottom. We'll flip it over and have a look at the top of the blade. This is the side of the blade that has a bevel down. So trying not to counter that bevel. Now you can come in here with a hand file. But I like to use my power tools. They're more fun. Just have to be careful. You're not trying to destroy this or anything. You just want to gently work it back into shape. I will run the file along the bottom there just to take the grinding burrs off. Pretty good. Do the other side. Looking pretty good. Good. Now we move on to balancing. Balls. I have a super high-tech blade balancing tool here. There you go. We want that to sit roughly even. I'd say that's pretty good for first try. Just flip it over, see if it sits even the other way. Nothing funny business going on there. It's good enough for my mower. But if it was hanging down low on one end, and you flip it over and you flip it around, and it consistently hangs down low on one end, you're going to want to take a little more material off that end just to weight balance it. But now, it's ready to go back on the mower.